to our home video. In this case, we're going to show you how to install this model. Is the A290 model. So let's start. Before we start installing our lock, we need to make sure that our door have the correct holes to the installation. For that, we're gonna need the template. For this step, you only need to put the template in your door and make the correct holes. As you see here, we have the correct curves now. We have the holes. And the next step is going to be install the latch. Now, the next step is install the latch. To install the latch, we only need to insert the latch under the door and put the correct screw. For this, you're gonna need the screwdriver. The single latch have the option to change your hold of the single latch to a 16 or 17 millimeters. First, we're gonna start installing the exterior panel. For that, we need to insert the spindle or the square bar. Make sure to insert the security clip to the spindle or the square bar. In this step, it's really important that make sure that this little triangle stay in the correct letter of your lock. For example, if the orientation of your door is right, you're gonna put it in the letter R. But if it's a left, you're gonna put it in the letter L. In this case, my door is in the right hand, so I'm gonna put it in the letter R. Now, to install the front panel, we're going to pass through the wire and insert the spindle or the square bar into the hole of the latch. Now we're gonna install the mounting plate. With these two screws, we're gonna tie the mounting plate. We're gonna connect the wire to the interior panel. Now, to tie the panel with the mounting plate, we need to remove the cover of the batteries, insert the cable under the door, and insert the spindle or the square bar into the square bar hole. For this, we're gonna need this screw. Now, to insert the last screw, we need to remove this little cover and insert this little screw. Finally, we can insert the 4 batteries AA to the battery compartment and put the cover. And now we got ready. Now let's check if our lock have a right installation. How do we know that? For the outside, it's never gonna open unless you put your fingerprint or the code or the easy card. And for inside, it will be always open. Now that we finished the installation of our lock, hello everyone, welcome to a new video of our locks. And as you know, all our smart locks have the function that in the moment that you install the smart lock, you can change the direction of the left or the right. In this case, I'm going to show you how to change the direction of this lock. The model is A290. In this moment, the orientation of my lock is in the right hand. So I'm gonna change it to the left hand. First, we're going to start with the exterior panel. The only thing you're going to do is roll the handle up, and you will see this screw here. With the help of the screwdriver, you're going to unscrew or remove the screw. Now you're gonna roll the handle 180 degrees until you see the hole when you're going to put the screw. When you finish to tighten the screw, you're gonna make sure that this little triangle stay in the right letter. In this case, we're gonna put it in the left hand. Now let's change the orientation of the interior panel. Now to change the direction of the interior panel, you only have to unscrew this screw or remove it. And then you're going to rotate the handle 180 degrees. Then we're going to put again the screw. And it's all. Now that we got the left orientation of our smart lock, it's ready to install. Remember that these steps, it can be useful to change to right, a left, or left to right.